Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how does M-eux test integrate with IBM Rational Quality Manager. M-eux test is a software that integrates with the Visual Studio, Eclipse, and the HPQTP. It can allow you to run test automation on mobile devices. First of all, you have to install the M-eux device manager on your PC, on your Windows PC, and as you can see, I have my device manager here, and the version is version 5 2402. And as you can also see, I already have one device connected from this connected devices tab, and I can also show you from this webcam. This is my device. The model is Nexus 4. And also, there's also a tab called Connected Testing Tools. So as you already can guess, it can be Eclipse, QTP, or Visual Studio. Now, if I connect my Eclipse project by pressing this button, the Eclipse should already appear under this Connected Testing Tools. Now, what I'm going to do is I'll show you what is happening in this M-eux Eclipse project. I'm just simply send a SMS out to from my Android device, and I'll simply run this script and show you in this webcam what will happen. So it now opened up a SMS, and it tries to compose an SMS, and then it puts this number which is in my script also, and it puts hello world in there, and then it will send it out. So as you can see, it already sent it out, and that is what's happening if I run the script from Eclipse. Now I'm going to show you how can we run this script from IBM Rational Quality Manager. First thing, I will have to export a jar file from this project, and just do export and say runnable jar file, and I'll go to a folder that I created before, so it should be under my C and the RQM demo, where I already have another jar file, but remember I'm using message.jar, and then I click finish. Okay, there's a file I don't need to. So now I can already close this Eclipse, because I'm going to run it from Rational Quality Manager. Now if you check the connected testing tools, there's no testing tools connected anymore. Now let's go to the Rational Quality Manager. I already have my Tomcat server running, and this is my project area. It is called Jamo. And now what I have to do is I have to run the adapter from my PC to initiate the connection from the server and the client. So my adapter is under my under my D drive RQM and adapter, and what I have to do is I have to go to a command window and run my batch file from here. So first go to D and to this folder and run it start.bat, and now as you can see, now the adapter is now connected. So I will have to I will show you how we can create a script. So let's go to a new, I already have a new test script, and I'm gonna give it a name called Eclipse message. And here, of course, you'll have to choose M-eux test script. And if you click select adapter, as my adapter is running here, so it is also detected by the server. And you go to next. You will have to input the path where you have the jar file generated. As you can already see, this is where the jar file I have generated. It's the message.jar. Now I press go. It should detect my jar file or Dll file. Dll is for Visual Studio, which I will introduce later. Now I will choose my message.jar and I click finish. This path is for the result file, and you will have to fill in yourself where you want to put the HTML report. So I will just give the same path, and the name is message, for example, result. And this is the test script I have created. Now what I have to do is I will go to create a test case and pour my test script in this case. So in the test case, I will give a name also Eclipse message test case to distinguish the name. And then if I go to the left panel, go to test script, and I have this option to pour my test script. So this is the test script that I just generated. If now I now click OK, now it's added in here, and I also have to generate a test environment for RQM. Generate test case, and then here this is the option to generate the test environment, and I can choose it doesn't matter which one I choose, I just need one test environment for running this script. And if I say finish, now I can already run it from this RQM server. Let's double check, I have my device connected, I don't have any connected testing tools. If I run this test case, and you see it's detected my my adapter. And now we have to go to if we go to this webcam, and you can see the RQM already launched the Eclipse runner, and at the right hand side you already see that the same operation has been performed by RQM. So this is pretty cool. So this is pretty much how it works for Eclipse, and now we are going to show you the integration of Visual Studio script. Now let's go back. Now let's go to the Visual Studio script. This is also the same that I have generated in C# in Visual Studio for sending a message from the same device, Android device. For Visual Studio, what you need is the Dll file. You can go to this, click on this project, and here you already see this location of your Dll file. If you go to let's go to a file explorer and go to find our Dll file object pool, and then now it should be under should go to user script, bin directory debug, and now those two are the Dll file that you need to run from RQM. If we just copy it to the folder that I created for testing for RQM, and I will overwrite the previous user script Dll. Let's first also run the script from the Visual Studio, and then we run it from the RQM. Now let's see, the testing tool is not connected yet, so we'll simply go to this M-eux test and say connect. Let's check it back. So Visual Studio is already connected. Now if we press run and let's see the webcam, the same operation should happen as the one from the Eclipse. So it's again putting a number in there, and put this message hello new world. Okay, and then it sends the message out. Okay, great. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to close this Visual Studio already, and show you how to run it from RQM. So now you can see the Visual Studio is collecting tool is gone because I have closed it. Again, in this RQM, I already have my adapter running, so I don't have to run it again. In this project area, I'm going to create a new test script called for example, Visual Studio message, for example. And of course also select M-eux test, and again select adapter, as my adapter is already running, so it's green here. And again I'm gonna put the path where I have my user script.dll and the object put.dll path. So let's go to here and select go. And so the DLL is already here. Those ones are the jar file, which is for Eclipse, and what I have to, I only need to select this user script.dll to run it from Visual Studio, and the same I will have to give the result file location, and I'll give it a customized name, for example vsmessage.html. And now I click save, and now let's create a new test case, for example, to pull this one to the test case. You can also use the same test case, but just here, just for the demo, this message test case. Okay, now it's time for pulling in this test script. Here the test script we just used is Visual Studio message, yes, and again the same, we are going to generate a test environment, and use the same one, it doesn't matter that much. So finish. Okay, let's save it. Now we are going to run it from here. So let's double check the device is connected, and there's no connected tools detected. Now if we run it from here, and we will show the webcam as well as this one. So that now we have the Visual Studio already launched up, and as you can see, the device is running with the same script that we just put in the Visual Studio. And hello new world, and there it is. And also we will there's also result generated, which I forgot to show you before. If you click show result, the result that you just mentioned, this is the name that you just customized. If you click it, this is the you will have to continue. This is the result that of your test script that is generated. And for Eclipse, you also have the same result, the same functionality. If we can go to our test case, which is case Eclipse. Actually, we can go to our test case Eclipse execution case Eclipse. There should already be some results generated. Test case result. This is test case Eclipse. This is the result from before for Eclipse, and this is the no, not this one. This one was from before. Let's see. Anyway, let's run this script from Eclipse again, and we will show you the script, show you the result. Case Eclipse. Okay. And we will show it. We will run the script again from here. Let's make sure the device is connected. Yes, and there's no testing tools. Now we say OK, and then let's go to the webcam. And it is there is some error happening. Let's see what is the error. This test case is not the same one yet, I think. Yes, the test case is not the same. It should be message, Eclipse message. This is the test. This is the test script. Okay, Eclipse message test case. I forgot to save it, so it's here. Let's double check the script. The script is okay, it's now this one. Now we are sure it's the correct one. So Eclipse message test case, and we run it again. And okay, let's see the web camera. So this is the status bar of the running the test script, and you can see the same operation was happening as before. Now we just want to show you the result file from Eclipse. Okay. Okay, so now the execution completed. If we go to show result, the HTML file that you just put is also here. So this is the action that you have just put, the set, the tab message, and so on, and so on. So this is basically what will happen if you use RQM to run M-eux test script. M-eux test from Jammer Solutions also integrates with QTP, but it's pretty much if you use QTP adapter from RQM. So I don't show it here. That's the end of the demo, I guess. Thank you for watching.